Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about 5 websites which are most needed for web developers in their initial phase of life. Now you see that a web developer makes a website, but for building one website he makes a use of several number of websites which are required in order to give an idea of most of the things which he requires, and some websites are also required for inspiration or for knowing some of the new features which comes into web development. So in this video we are going to explore the 5 most required websites which a developer needs quite frequently for some or other purpose. So let's get started. First is the Ion Icons website. Now you may know that in most of the websites a large number of icons are used. So Ion Icons is a website which fulfills your need. Ion Icons is a website which has a large number of icons, and you can paste these icons in your CSS file by copying the class and pasting it. So this is one of the most useful websites, and it has one of the best icons which one can get for any website. You can have any type of icon, for social icon, for some geometrical or for some mathematical icons, or various type of icons are available on this website. Second website, which is one of the most useful for very beginner web developers, is the W3 schools. So I might be wondering that you have heard this name. W3 School is one of the most newest, not newest, but very important website. It has a list of all the tags in HTML and all the properties in CSS. It also has for other features like JavaScript and all other important features, and many young developers use this website to know of the unknown tags which they are not knowing. And it also contains a try portion in which you can see a syntax and you can use it to understand the brief concept. This website is very useful, and I will definitely recommend you to visit this website if you. Third website which may I recommend you is CSS Tricks. Now CSS Tricks is a website for those developers which are already familiar with HTML and CSS. This website provides new CSS tricks which comes into the market every day. Now this can only be used by those developers who already know some amount of HTML, CSS. So I will recommend that you should get your hands dirty with HTML and CSS, and once you feel confident, go into this website, check the different CSS tricks, and this will provide you good inspiration for making a beautiful website and will help you for future development and getting a good grip with CSS. Now the fourth website which may I like to talk about is Stack Overflow. Now you may all be knowing that which is Stack Overflow. Now almost all the developers in across the world use the Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow has a large number of developers who post questions and post answers. Now many a times you are stuck in a code and you are not able to find the solution, then you can visit Stack Overflow. You can post your question along with your code, and you can get the answer by large number of developers. And even there are possibilities that your question has been asked many times before some other person, and so you may find the answer already be pasted here. This is a most useful website, and almost every developer uses this website, and I may recommend you that you start using this website as soon as you can, only if you need, and don't entirely depend on Stack Overflow because it's not good and it will. Fifth website which may I recommend you is the Flat UI Colors. Flat UI Colors is also one of the most useful website which you may require for your web development. Flat UI Colors basically contains a large number of color palettes which are not available in the normal text editor. They contains a large variety of colors, and they also contains the mixed edition, the light edition, and provides a large variety of colors. You simply have to visit the Flat UI Colors, select a particular color, copy the class code, and then paste it into a CSS file. This is a pretty simple software, very easy software, and very not a very complicated software. You can use it for free and no charge is required, and I will definitely recommend.